Okay, everybody, I want to show you a little package I got today. By the way, bonus points if you know what movie this is from. Hawks Hauling. Bonus points. But this weekend I got a big package. I don't know, as you know, or some of you know, I'm in the collectible business a little bit. I collect older Sports Illustrateds, specifically in the newsstand issue, not the subscription, because there's a huge difference in value between newsstand and subscription. So you see a lot of people trying to sell their old Sports Illustrated collections that have their subscription tag on it. Unfortunately, those are not really worth that much compared to a newsstand copy, which is more rare, just based on the fact that you had to go to like a newsstand or a bookstore to buy those. So some people did that and held on to those, and those are the ones that are worth a lot of money, especially depending on what grade they get when you send them to the grading company. Now, PSA, which is the biggest grading company out there, who specializes in like baseball cards, like that, they're now in the magazine hobby, whereas before it was a company called CGC. So PSA is now bringing more to the magazines, and values are going up. So I have right here in this box some of the most valuable Sports Illustrateds I've ever had before. Now, I will tell you this. In baseball card collecting, a PSA 10 is the highest you can get, and that's considered gem mint. That's a perfect baseball card or football card. In the magazine world, it's almost impossible to get a 10, just because magazines were at least opened and read, and so grading companies take that in consideration. So really a 10 is a 9.8 in the magazine grading company. So I just wanted to give you a quick peek at some of the magazines I got back. So this right here, this is a very famous 1987 Michael Jordan cover, Sports Illustrated, very sought after, especially in the newsstand, which this is a newsstand copy. And as you can see, this one got a 9.6. Now, it's not a 9.8, but there are currently no 9.8s in the market. So for collectors, this would be the highest grade. There's not a lot of these that have been distributed or sold, so I don't have a lot of comps on it. But this one's going to be probably a big one. So I'm going to hold on this right now. There is one currently that's going to be on Golden Auctions, but it's a CGC 9.6. So I believe I might have the only PSA 9.6. I'm not exactly sure, but I believe it's either just me or there might be two. So we'll see what happens with that. I'm going to hold that for now. But next one, oh, yeah, this is a big one. So this is Tiger Woods' first cover. And that's the other thing too. When you have an athlete, like a big famous athlete, their first cover is kind of like their rookie card. So this is Tiger Woods' rookie newsstand edition. And as you can see, yeah, that's a 9.8. That's the highest grade you can pretty much get. So this one is getting mailed out to Golden Auctions today. And it will be in their April Elite auction, which begins, I think, soon. I think April 17th. So this will be on their April Elite auctions. Hopefully looking at a possible 5-figure final bid, but we'll see. And then, so those are the two big ones. And then after that, we have a couple other ones. So this is a 1989 Jordan 9.4. Let's see what else. This one, and I just found this out, believe it or not, this one is a very hard to get newsstand copy as well. There's not These are very difficult to get. So these are going, for a pretty number too. This one is a 9.2, which actually I think is also the highest grade for this, the Black Athlete, which kind of has Michael Jordan on the cover, but it is considered one of his covers, which he was on 52 of, I believe, or 50 or 52. Then we have the 91 Dream Team in a 9.2. I believe 9.6 is the highest newsstand. So this is a really nice copy. And then we have this one, Bustin' Loose, almost highest grade, but 9.6. This one is actually already sold. And then we have Clyde Drexler and Jordan on the cover. This one got a little bit of a lower grade, 8.5, but it's also sold as well. And then, and then this guy is also a really cool cover with Horace Grant on the cover with Michael Jordan with their early bowl run. And this got a 9.6. There's a few 9.8s out there. So still really solid grade. And this one's going to go to Golden Auctions as well to be in their weekly auction. So there you have it, a little reveal of some of my most valuable Sports Illustrateds I've gotten so far. And I can't wait to see what the Tiger does in the Golden Auction. And just a little quick education too on this new hobby. It's actually not new, but it's new for me, kinda, and it might be new for you. But that's it. Stay tuned.